Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tablet. Confirm the Fire OS version and free storage space, because the process needs about 200-300 MB. Once done, enable apps from unknown sources for the Silk browser in settings so APK downloads will install. Next, use Silk to download 4 specific Google APKs in the correct order. This order matters because each package provides components the next needs. Make sure you download to internal storage rather than an SD card to avoid permission issues later. Now install the APKs step by step. Start with Google Account Manager, then Google Services Framework, followed by Google Play Services, and finish with Google Play Store. Tap each APK to install, accept permissions the installer requests, and watch for any install blocked messages. If blocked, re-enable unknown apps for the specific app doing the installation. Once all 4 are installed successfully, reboot the tablet to let background services finalize registration and optimize. This often resolves immediate sign-in problems. After reboot, open the Play Store and sign in with your Google account. The first launch may update Play services in the background. If sign-in or updates fail, go to Settings Apps, force stop Play Store and Google Play Services, then clear cache and data before reopening. If you still see errors, verify you installed APK versions compatible with your Fire OS. Mismatched versions cause crashes. As a final tip, uninstall the APKs and repeat the correct order if persistent failures continue, then reboot again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.